Hey Divine One, I'm so excited if you're seeing this video because the cards I pulled today are absolutely magic. I tuned in and asked the question, what does the collective hearing this message need to know as we enter this season of Saturn in Pisces? For the first time in 30 years, we have this new energy. It's a whole new way of life, and these cards are confirmation. So as you listen to this message, just breathe into yourself and take what's yours. The very first card we got was Sasha, Resilience Reversed. And when she comes up reversed, what she is saying is it's time to find your own way of doing things. You are the leader here, and as you are leading, it's important to find your own way in your own time, and also to be really authentic in your vulnerability. We're not gatekeeping, we're not keeping all of our own emotions and thoughts inside. We are sharing ourselves with the world in our fierce leadership, embodying all of who we are. After that, Ronan Play comes out and he is saying, no more playing by the books. You're being way too serious. This is a season of life where we get to play and have fun. I like to think of Saturn in Pisces as the part where fantasy and reality become intertwined and we get to create this really beautiful life for us here. But we can't be serious about it. It's about play and fun. Barony Suppression Reverse comes out next, and she is saying you finally healed this part of yourself that has suppressed your gifts, your talents and abilities, and you're starting to walk in your own personal power and belief system. And Akule Guidance Reversed is saying you don't need to seek signs and confirmation or validation from the external. It is all within your pure, innocent heart. When Eva Innocence comes out upright, she is saying, get back to that sense of wonder and joy and innocence of life. All of these cards are calling for one thing: to go within, to find that inner light, to find that unique gift, that audacious sense of self, and to walk it and live it like nothing can take that away from you. To move into this new era, knowing, not believing, not thinking, knowing, a full embodied knowing of all of my dreams are about to come true. It's as you walk forward in integrity with your own self that you are going to create the reality of your dreams. That is the era we are living in. That is the way that our consciousness is moving forward. And you seeing this message means that it's happening for you. You simply have to allow it. I'm so proud of you. I am so excited. I can't wait to see what this season brings. Let me know if this resonates. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.